Alright, these are the elevators here at Nordstrom at King of Prussia Mall. This one just showed up. 3. 88,000. 1. This video is dedicated to Felicia because he really likes these elevators. Take this one for one more ride and then we'll get the other one. Door close button does not work. Coming down?
Yeah.
Which one?
I'm going to the bottom one.
You going to 2 or 1?
1.
Are you going to 2 or 1?
It was fine with me, and we're sorry. 1. Do you want to push? You do. I have to go to 1 anyway, so it's fine. Thank you.
Go ahead. Send this one up. Try to get around the other one. There goes that one. Notice how that indicator says L instead of 1. That's a glitch. This elevator has a floor passing chime, the other one does not. And 1. Come down?
Yes.
Which one?
Doesn't bother us.
Oh, okay.
Which one?
Whatever you want.
I don't care. I want to pick up my hand either.
Go ahead. This is going down. You going down?
Yes. You
All right.
want me to ride with you? Are you sure? Okay. Tuck in the corner. I'm sure maneuvering that bad boy is.
I have a milkshake.
You have a milkshake, I see it, and it's got really cool sprinkles on it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Observations, most important part.
Of course. Funfetti pink sprinkles are the best.
She's like, oh, watch now.
Yep.
Right.
Here, go ahead.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks,
good
guys.
one.
Have a good day.
Too.
Thank you.
Oh, had to relevel. Yeah, these things are busy today. It's a Saturday, so figures why. To get a cap view, identical to the other one. I like those LED lights. Now I'll go down to 2 and end the tour. Oh, don't cancel. Oh. Going down? Which one?
First one.
Stand first.
And at classic levels, because we waste no time here. And we'll close up. There it goes, and that's it.